If your Windows storage is full, there's a good chance a hidden folder is taking up most of your space, and I'll show you how to find it in seconds. In this video, I'll show you how to use Treesize to instantly find what's taking up space on your PC, and free up space on Windows 11 in just a few minutes. Let's find out what's actually filling your drive. First, download Treesize from the Microsoft Store and install it. Once it's installed, open Treesize with administrator rights. This gives the program access to scan more areas of your drive. Now select your C drive and start the scan. Treesize will quickly analyze your drive and organize everything by size. Within a few moments, you can see exactly which folders are using the most storage. All the way up, you'll see an overview of your selected drive, including the total size. Below that is the folder view. Everything is sorted from largest to smallest, so the biggest storage items are immediately visible. This is the main reason Treesize is useful. Instead of manually opening dozens of folders and guessing what is taking up space, you can see the answer right away. All the way down at the bottom you can see the amount of free space you have. Now let's look at where you should focus. First, avoid deleting anything from the Windows folder unless you know exactly what you are doing. Windows contains important system files, and removing the wrong thing can cause problems. Instead, start with your user folders. The biggest opportunities are usually inside folders like Downloads, Videos, Desktop, and Documents. Downloads is often the first place to check. Select multiple files by holding the Control key. When you find a file you no longer need, right-click it and delete it. Videos are another common source of wasted storage. A few large recordings, exports, or personal videos can easily take up tens of gigabytes. Large files are not the only reason your storage fills up. Installed programs can also take several gigabytes each. Back in Treesize, check folders like Program Files and Program Files x86. You should not manually delete programs from these folders. Instead, open Add or Remove Programs. Sort the list by size. Now you can quickly see which programs are using the most storage. If you find software you no longer use, uninstall it properly through Windows. This is often one of the easiest ways to recover several gigabytes. After removing large files and uninstalling programs, you can run Treesize again to see the difference. The best part is that you can immediately see where your storage went and whether your cleanup actually made a difference. Treesize is especially useful when your C drive is full because it removes the guesswork. Instead of searching through random folders, you can quickly find the biggest storage users and decide what is safe to remove. That's how you can use Treesize to find large files and free up space on Windows 11. And if you still need more space, check out my guide on using Windows Cleanup to remove built-in junk files safely. If this helped you clean up your drive, let me know what was taking up the most storage on your PC.